let's make a super simple table topper that's perfect for any occasion. You're going to need 4 10-inch balloons of your primary color, 4 5-inch balloons of your secondary color, and either a 12-inch or 18-inch balloon to go on top. I highly recommend you get an electric pump for this. You're going to inflate the balloons and then release some air, and then you're going to squish the balloon so they're more circular than tear-shaped. You want the balloons to look uniform, so I'm going to measure them to 7 inches. To tie the balloons together, you're going to first cross the nozzles and then twist the balloon twice over. This is to ensure that there's no air leakage. And then you're just going to tie a knot like you would a shoelace, essentially. Congratulations, you've made a pair. Now do it again. To make our base quad, we're going to cross the nozzles of the 2 pairs like so, and then twist the balloons about twice over to lock them together. Great job. And now we're going to do the same thing except with a smaller balloon and blowing it up to 4.5 inches. Now for the topper balloon, you can either use a 12-inch or an 18-inch like I said, but you do the same thing. You blow it up, release some air, put some pressure on it to make it a circle, and tie it off. To assemble, put the smaller quad on top of the larger quad, take one of the nozzles from the balloon, and then tie it in a figure 8 between 2 of the lower balloons. Now that your base is perfect, time to add the topper. Using the same method, go ahead and grab the balloon and you're going to wrap it in a figure 8 to the top quad. I was struggling, so you might have to fight with the balloon a bit, but you get there. Now this thing is freaking massive, which is perfect for a dessert table, but just in case you're looking for a centerpiece, I'll comment some alternative sizing down below. To dress him up a little bit, I used a hand pump and I inflated 5-inch balloons to about 3 inches, then tied 3 balloons together. You can do this by first tying 2 together and then tying a third one in after. Now we're gonna add this cluster to our table topper using the same method of getting a nozzle and looping it around the white quad.